well too sightless. We call them modern day Judas.
Yes, well, he is a self-taught artist, and I'm looking through his work. Wow, Kadeen, you are incredible at what you do. Kadeen Christie zooms in to tell us about his passion for art, visual arts. Good morning to you, sir. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning.
Boy,
Good morning.
Kadeen, your stuff is really impressive. I'm going to look through in a bit, but tell me about your passion for art. Apparently, it's something that runs in your family.
Yes. I started drawing at the early age of 4. I learned it from my grandfather.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I saw him drawing when I was very young, so I took a liking to it, and I started practicing. Like anytime I saw him drawing anything, I tried to mimic what he was doing.
And that's really the only training you have. Like, you watched him, and then you'd go around and like look at people's faces and try to sketch to get the technique right.
Yeah. Also, what inspired me to like start drawing like photorealism. I have an older cousin. His name goes by the name of Ranford Anderson. I think you've interviewed him before.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Tell me about your YouTube, your university study. Because a lot of what you've now learned has been from watching tutorials.
Yes.
Talk to me about it. How easy was that?
How easy was it?
Yes.
I'm not sure. I can't really say, but I had always had a knack for detail, like fine detail. So yeah, it came really easy for me.
And have you done any studies in art? I know you went to Jonathan Grant, but have you been able to pursue this passion? I know it's been a challenging time for you, and it's an expensive venture. So have you been able to do anything else?
No, not. I haven't been able to do anything.
Yeah. And go ahead.
Yeah. Recently, someone sent me a phone number of an art instructor. He's offering me like half of a scholarship or 50% off on the tuition to get an NCT vet certificate after I'm finished training. His name is Mortimer McPherson, and his art classes, I think it's called Studio Mortimer.
Okay. So he's offered you half of a scholarship to do the NCT vet course, and so you need the other half, obviously, to be able to do it. And so now the work that you do, you post on social media?
Yes.
And have you been able to move the art that way? Are people buying art from you that way, or is it not going as well as you'd wish?
It's not going as well as I'd wish because I haven't figured out the Instagram algorithm, so I don't really
let me tell
know
you.
how to, and I don't really know how to market myself properly.
Okay, well, let's help you this morning. Come, Mark, work with me. I saw some of the images, but Kadeen sent his portfolio to me, and I want to show you what the Bible says. You must use the gifts that are in your hands. Look at what is in this young man's hand. Ladies and gentlemen of Jamaica, Edna Manley executives watching, NCT vet executives watching. Look at what Kadeen has taken from paper. Kadeen, this is pencil and paper?
Yeah, graphite and charcoal pencil on paper.
Cannot be possible. You sure?
Yes.
I mean, this looks like the photograph itself. How long did this take you to do?
About 3 weeks because at the time I had a commission by the local butcher, so I had to stop that to do the work for him.
Wow. Okay, here we go. So we know who this is for sure, right? The great man, Mr. 9.58.
I wasn't too sure about that the likeness because I rushed the face.
Yeah.
So Yeah, but
Yeah.
the others are pretty spot on.
Yeah, so you're critical of your work too, which is good.
Yes.
Because I can see what you're saying with the Usain one. But the Michael Jackson one is, as you said, spot on. Spot on. All right, let me go through again. Next, I'm a very bad Vanna White, as you all can tell. All right, let's look now. Look at this, guys. Look at Muhammad Ali. Who can tell you that you're not looking at a picture of Muhammad Ali? This is incredible. And then, come on, I'm going to change orientation on you. Who is this beauty? Kadeen?
Yeah.
Yes,
Shensia.
that's right. I'm sure she would love to see this and appreciate it. And then you've gone into cartoon caricature over here.
I wanted to try colored pencil, but I couldn't really get the professional quality ones. So I borrowed like some colored pencils from a friend of mine. He had the professional quality ones, and I wanted to try something very simple. So that took me about a week and a half because I was getting the feel.
Yeah, because another thing is the tools that you need, right? Because if you have the inferior tools, you don't really want to use those because you want the professional stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
The inferior, they won't get the quality of work that I'm looking for.
Correct. So help to get your tools would be good too. Let me turn this page now. Who's over here? Malcolm X.
Yeah.
And?
Dino crazy.
No, I'm really and truly, I'm stunned at how good your work is. Honestly, I am stunned. No, I'm stunned. I really am at a loss for words on this show. People, look on this picture. Who could tell you this is not a Malcolm X photograph that somebody took with a camera? You know what I mean? Incredible. It's all incredible. Wow. Are there more? Wait, I think there's one more.
Yeah.
Hold on.
One more. There's one more. That's a picture of my niece.
Oh.
I was
Reina.
supposed to, I was supposed to get it to her for her birthday, but I missed it because I forgot her birthday.
Well, she's looking at it now. She is beautiful. I think her name means queen in Spanish. Reina, I think means queen in Spanish.
I think it's French.
Oh, Reina is French? You sure? Okay, it matters
I'm
not.
not sure.
The picture is beautiful. I think I missed one. Hold on, but I wanted to see it because it's so good. Did I miss the one with coffee? Yes, I sure did. Or did we show it? So this is the one with coffee that came from the image. Kadeen, tell us what you need. There are folks watching this morning who are looking and saying, geez, this young man is talented. How can I help him? Well, how can we help you, Kadeen?
Some art supplies or funding would be nice. For the course. I think that would be sufficient.
Do you have any idea how much you need for the rest of the course? You have half.
60,000.
Man. Okay. And so that's your IG right there. Can people DM you if they want to help?
Yes.
All right. Folks, $60,000 is standing in the way of this young man's maximization of his potential. I mean, I think just the exposure this morning will help you because your work speaks for itself. I mean, it's one thing for you to come on and talk, but, you know, when people look at your gift, it is undeniable, Kadeen. And look at this Rihanna. Oh, my gosh. Kadeen, your work is sick. Sick! You're going to be fine. I can tell you right now. You're going to get that 60,000 and more, and you're going to finish this NCT vet certification, and then you're going to come back and tell us about it, okay? I'm declaring it today. Your IG handle again, what is it?
Kadeen Christie _RJA.
Okay, can we put it up again one more time? Yes. Folks, that is where you go to DM Kadeen if you can help him. You've seen his work. Help him do more, please. Thank you, Kadeen, for joining us this morning.
Thank you very much.
And congrats to you on pushing despite, you know, the fact that it's not manifesting the way you want it to. You're not giving up because you say you know this can be a career for you, and we know it can be too. So all the best to you, okay?
Thank you very much.
All right, Kadeen Christie, visual artist. What a gift. What a gift. After the break, we have some muffin, canned